Good morning students. Now question number 7 in exercise 7.1. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2, -5 and -2, 9. They are asking the point on the x-axis. On the x-axis mean there is no point on the y. So, consider that point x, 0 because the point is lie on the x-axis, so there is no point on y-axis. Now, consider the first point as A, that is 2, -5. The second point -2, 9. Now using the points in distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square, that is 2 minus x the whole square, plus y2 minus y1 minus 5 for y2 minus y1, that is 0 the whole square. Now PA square is over, then PB square. x2 minus x1, that is -2 minus x the whole square, plus y2 minus y1 9 minus 0 the whole square. 2 minus x whole square, we can expand it like a minus b whole square formula. A square, that is 2 square. 2 square means 4 minus 2ab. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into x, 4x, plus b square, here for b, x, b square means x square, plus minus 5 minus 0, that is minus 5, squaring of minus 5 gives plus 25. Like that, in the right side, we can take minus symbol as common. Squaring of the minus symbol gives plus 2. So we have 2 plus x whole square. 2 plus x, it is look like a plus b whole square formula. So expand it like a plus b whole square. A square, that is 2 square, 4 plus 2ab. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into x, 4x. Plus b square, that is x square. Then 9 minus 0 gives 9. 9 square means 81. Now bring all the terms in the right side into left side. First write x square term, then write x term, then number. Here 4 plus 25, 2 numbers. So adding these two numbers give 29. Then bring the values into left side. First write x square term, then x term. 4 plus 81, that is 85. It comes to the left side, minus 85 equal to 0. Now we can cancel plus x square and minus x square. Minus 4x minus 4x, symbols are similar, so we get minus 8x. Minus 8x plus 29 minus 85. Minus 4x and minus 4x, adding these two values we have minus 8x, then we have plus 29 minus 85 equal to 0. Now the symbols are varying, so we should subtract 29 from 85. Greater number has minus symbol, so we have minus symbol. 5 minus 9, it is not possible. Borrow 1 from 8. 15 minus 9, that is 6. Here 7. 7 minus 2, that is 5. Minus 8x equal to plus 56. X equal to 56 divided by minus 8. 1 8s are 8, 7 8s are 56. So we have x equal to minus 7. The point P, x comma 0. Write minus 7 for x comma 0. Therefore the point P is minus 7 comma 0. In question number 8, they mentioned the point P as 2 comma 3 and Q 10 comma y. The distance between PQ is 10 units. They are asking to find the value of y. Now distance between P and Q is 10 units. So PQ, that is equal to 10. We know the distance formula, square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. To eliminate the square root, just squaring on both sides, pq square equal to 10 square. Now consider p2 comma 3 as x1 y1. The point Q as x2 y2. Now x2 minus x1, 10 minus 2 the whole square plus y2 minus y1. For y2 write y minus y1, that is 3 whole square equal to 10 square, that is 100. Now 10 minus 2, that is 8 square, y minus 3 whole square, it is look like a minus b whole square formula. So a square, that is y square, minus 2ab, 2 into y into 3. Multiplying the constant 2 into 3, 6, 6 into y, 6y, plus b square, that is 3 square, 9 equal to 100. Now we have the value 8 square plus y square minus 6y plus 9 equal to 100. First write the term y square, then y term. 8 square is 64. 64 plus 9, that is 73. Now bring 100 into left side, minus 100 equal to 0. Now y square minus 6y, subtracting 73 from 100, it gives 27. Greater number has minus symbol, so minus 27. Y square minus 6y minus 27 equal to 0. This is like quadratic equation, so we can factorize minus 27. The central number is minus sign. So greater number should have minus sign, minus 9 into 3. Plus into minus, minus 9 3s are 27. Minus 9 plus 3 gives minus 6. So we can write y minus 9 into y plus 3 equal to 0. Y minus 9 equal to 0, that is y equal to 9. Y plus 3 equal to 0, that is y. Now y minus 9 equal to 0, that is y equal to plus 9, y plus 3 equal to 0, y equal to minus 3. So the value for y is 9 or minus 3.
Please like, share, comment and subscribe the video.